Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Blockman Go app on your phone. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's get started. First of all, find the App Store on your home screen. Now open it. Now type the name Blockman Go app and search for it. There is the Blockman Go app on your second option. Now tap on it. Then tap on to get to download it. The phone will ask for your confirmation. Now double click to install the app. And after a few seconds, the app will be installed to your phone. Now the app has been installed. Tap on to open the app. Now your app has been installed on your phone. And you can also find the app on your home screen just like this. And that's it. Now you know how to install Blockman Go app on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.